This is the third time I have filmed this video today. Hello beautiful people of the internet, my name is Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm pretty proud of my hair right now. I did a style, so I just wanted to point that out first and foremost. Second of all, obviously, as the title says, today we are reviewing or going through my July Ipsy bag. And I don't know why I didn't think of doing this video sooner. I guess I just thought that it would be too short or boring, or I don't know what I thought. But my friend Kinsey actually messaged me, because I always put these on Snapchat, and she was like, hey, you should turn that into a video. Girl, I'd watch. So Kinsey, this video is for you. But if you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so I can know to do them every single month, because I get Ipsy every single month. Obviously, it's a monthly subscription. Before we jump into the products, if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription, and it's makeup and beauty products, and you get a cute little makeup bag every month, and it is $10. Ballin' on a budget, because I get all these products for $10. Flat fee, everything included, makeup bag, stuff, shipping, everything. It's bomb. So, first of all, I'll show you the bag. I don't know if you can tell on here, it's kind of chrome blue. That's the bag, pretty plain, and it says Ipsy right there. Ooh. And most of these products are sample size, although occasionally you do get full-size products, just depending on what they're giving out that month. And I think everybody's bag is slightly different. You have similar things, but you take a quiz, and based on your interests, that's how they match what products they're going to send you that month. But first, I have this little eyeshadow thing. It says Ofra? And then on the back, it's got all the little ingredients and stuff, and it's called Millennium Gold. And honestly, I probably won't use this that much because I have a lot of eyeshadow, but nice to have in an emergency, an eyeshadow based emergency. Next up, we have this. It says it's a tapered blending brush, and it just looks like that. That's the tip. I love it when they send me makeup brushes. Almost every month they'll send me a makeup brush. Probably, I think this is my 10th or 11th bag, and I've probably gotten 6 or 7 makeup brushes. But I love it because you don't run out of makeup brushes, you run out of the products, but this could last me forever. My eyeshadow usually consists of either brown looks or pink looks. Today we have a pink look, but usually I do brown just because it's easier and it really complements the blue in my eyes. But the more makeup brushes I have, I can have my brown brushes and my pink brushes versus a muddy mixture of both of them. I mean, I could also clean my makeup brushes, but Next, I got this hairspray. It's Perfect Shine Oil Mist, color and heat protectant, and it's just a nice little sample size. It looks like that. I also get a lot of hair products just because that's what I put on the quiz, was that I like hair products. So they'll usually send me leave-in conditioner or hair oil or heat protectant. I'll probably definitely use this. All right, and then this is actually the first perfume I got. They sent me a perfume called Juliet Has a Gun, and I love that. I think that's so funny. I don't know if they're referencing Romeo and Juliet or I don't know, man, but I love Juliet Has a Gun, bitch. Watch out, Juliet's got a gun. This stuff smells so good. I always say we're living in the future, but we're not living in the future until you can smell what I am smelling through the screen. It says not a perfume. I am thoroughly confused because I don't know what else this would be besides a perfume, so I'll look that up and put it on the screen now. But I think it smells fantastic, and if it is a perfume, I guess I'm probably gonna buy the full size of this because as an adult woman, I just have body mists from Bath and Body, so I'm maybe I should get some perfume because that's what other adult people do, right? And lastly, I got this. See, this is why I said occasionally you get full size. I got this full size blush palette, and it's Pacifica. That's what the inside looks, in the colors Beaming and Tender Heart, or maybe the other way around. Honestly, I'm not really sure. I think this is kind of a bronzer and this is kind of a blush, and I don't really use blush that much, but this is beautiful packaging, and there's even a mirror on the other side, so this is awesome. I love all of these products. 10 out of 10 would recommend Ipsy. I don't not spons, obviously. That's what I got in my Ipsy bag for July. If you liked me reviewing or just unboxing my Ipsy bag, give me a thumbs up and comment down below so I know to do this more often. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you are having a wonderful day where you're at. I love you. Bye.